Hello everyone, welcome to ChOil. My name is Big J, and this week I got something special for you, something I've been wanting to make for a while. I was out at Eatin' Meat, which is a local butcher in a town not too far from us. They are selling our ChOil in their store, so we decided to go showcase some of our products, let their customers try it. And when I was in there, I saw some incredible meat that they had. It was definitely prime. The marbling on this, it looked like Wagyu to me, so I ended up picking up some Denver steaks to make some crispy ChOil beef for dinner tonight. It's a Asian type dish with a nice sweet and a little bit of sweet and sour type sauce to go on it. But it's wonderfully delicious. I've had it one other time, so I'm looking forward to making it tonight, especially with the meat from Eatin' Meat out in Charlotte. It is fantastic. It's looks super flavorful. And so, yeah, I'm excited to try it. So, you hungry? I'm hungry. Let's get cooking. So, all right. So the first thing that we're going to get doing tonight is we're going to get the beef going. We're going to season that up. So that way, while we're getting the sauce ready, we can go ahead and have the beef be marinating and getting all nice and soft and tender. And then what we're gonna do is put together the sauce. So after we get done frying the beef, we'll end up cooking the veg, put the sauce in there, bring it all together for a wonderful, delicious, beefy, chili, crispy, wonderful meal. So let's get working on our beef. All right, so to season our beef, what we're gonna do is add some ground ginger, granulated garlic, and granulated onion. Little bit of sesame oil, dark brown sugar, dark soy sauce, one beaten egg, beaten like a redheaded stepchild, and some cornstarch. Make it nice and crispy. Then we'll mix all that together. Make sure our beef is properly seasoned. Don't be afraid to massage it. Get in there. We're gonna set that aside while we make our sauce. All right, now we got our beef seasoned up. We're gonna work on the sauce. We got everything already all measured out. If you see the recipe, it's on our website. I'm sure there's gonna be a link somewhere, probably in the comments. But yeah, let's get mixing our sauce. All right, so for our sauce, our wonderful, delicious sauce, we have some sweet Thai chili sauce. It's gonna go in there, yum, yum, nice and sweet. It's a little bit sweeter, beefy sauce. Rice wine vinegar, balance out that sweetness. Got our umami with some dark soy sauce. It's gonna give it a wonderful dark color. It's a little bit lighter than soy sauce in taste. We got our sweet tomatoes here, also known as ketchup. One of my favorite things, honey. It calls for brown sugar, but I like to use honey. We're not eating any refined sugars. We're sticking to natural stuff. Then we have some onion, granulated onion. Bunch of ginger, about 2 tablespoons worth. We don't need quite all that in there. And then some scallions, probably a couple tablespoons of those. Mix that all together. So now we're gonna taste it. Yum, yum. That's amazing. Then one last thing we're gonna add into here. Some twisted Thai ChOil chili crisp. I like to mix for a sauce like this, mix it together. We're gonna get a nice big teaspoon of that twisted Thai chili crisp right in there. Now let's mix that in. I knew when I tasted it, something was missing. Oh man, now it's spot on. All right, now we got the sauce made, the beef all seasoned up. We're gonna fry the beef. Once the beef is fried, we're gonna go ahead and cook the veg, get the sauce, and then we're gonna put it all together. So let's get working on that. All right, so now we're time to cook the beef. Got my wok ripping hot. You can probably see some of the smoke coming off of it. So we're just gonna put a little bit of oil in here. Coat my pan up real good. Get my weenie dog barking. We got our wonderful beef that's all seasoned up. Now we're gonna fry it. I like to shallow fry mine. We're gonna do it in small batches. Don't use your finger. Look at that. Oh man, this is gonna be delicious. Do this in small batches. Leave all that oil in there. Get it nice and ripping hot for the next batch. Probably takes about 4 batches. All right, so we just got the beef done. I'm excited to try this. Check this out. Let's see how tender this stuff is. What? It just pulls apart so easily. It's almost like a fillet. I mean, it's so tender. Yum. All right, so we got the beef made. That was absolutely delicious. Now we're gonna cook the veg, get the sauce in there, mix it all together, and bring it all together. Let's get going. All right, now that all the beef is done, we got a little bit of oil left in there. We're actually gonna use that oil. What we're gonna do first, drop our garlic in. I'm gonna cook off that garlicky taste. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil in. This is only gonna go for about 20-30 seconds. Then we hit it with our pepper, our onion. This right here is a preference on how long you cook it. If you like it nice and crispy, you can probably stop right here. My family likes it a little bit softer, more tender, like me. So we like to cook ours till they're soft. We don't like the raw onion flavor. So this is where we're going with ours. Now we're gonna cook our sauce with our veg. Drop it in, scrape your bowl out, get all that wonderful goodness in there. Basically just gonna heat up the sauce, get those spices cooking together, and then we'll put in our beef. So our sauce is nice and thick, which is good. It'll coat real nice. I'm gonna thin it out just a little bit because we do have a lot of beef to coat. So I wanna make sure it all gets coated. So we're gonna thin it out just a touch. Added about a 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna heat it back up. And it's gonna thicken slightly, and then we're gonna add our beef. All right, our sauce is nicely thinned. Drop in our beef. Woo. Now, you just need some rice to serve it. Woohoo! Put a little bit of rice in here. Take some of this yummy, wonderful beef. Man, that looks amazing. Then we got some nice green onions. Gotta make it beautiful, some seeds. Now we're gonna drizzle a little bit more twisted Thai on here. Boom, there we go. When I say drizzle, I mean drop it like it's hot. Wow, doesn't that look amazing? My goodness. Come on, you know you wanna eat some of that. All right, let's give this bad boy a try. I'm excited to eat this. Ooh, look at that. See all that nice yummy sauce in there? Nice, dark, rich. Got the ChOil in there. Wow. Wow, that is delicious. It's kind of sweet. Got a nice spice from the twisted Thai ChOil. Man, I can eat stuff like this all the time. I don't know, it's amazing. So go out, give this recipe a try. Super easy. You see, it's just some ingredients that you got to mix together, cook a couple things, and it's done. Your family will love you. It's absolutely amazing. Go give it a try. Stay hungry, my friends. ChOilCrisp.com. Peace.